You can see the cleanup process has already started for some of the neighbors. This house has already been completely gutted from the damage of those floodwaters. And the homeowner actually told me the water rose up to here, leaving them without a home.
The water's just pouring in from the front door, and it's this helpless feeling of there's nothing I can do.
From this photo, you can see heavy rain this week flooded the Talavera neighborhood in Moore.
Almost every time it rains, you're worried to say, is it going to happen again?
What you can't see in the photo is the 3 homes that were left submerged with water.
In here, it was 16, 18 inches up off the floor.
We were able to get a wet vac and kind of try to fight the water back. But at that point in time, it's already done as much damage.
Every room in this home was affected.
The homeowners with soaked and soggy carpet, furniture, and belongings saying this sadly isn't the first time.
And oh no, wake up, it's happened again.
One neighbor even trying to beat the rain.
The only way that I'm able to try to retain the water from going is by putting these slabs of wood here and with a prayer that it would not exceed over it.
His prayers weren't answered.
It didn't work.
So now the cleanup process has started, leaving some residents without a home.
It could be months, it could be weeks, it could be a year.
And as they wait to call their houses homes again, they're remaining hopeful.
The good news is right now it's just stuff. Everything can be replaced. Nobody was hurt.
Megan Mosley, KOCO 5 News.